There are some group of words that we use in English like make a difference, come to an agreement, break a record, take a risk, do the right thing. These groups of words called collocations need to be used correctly in your writing. Let's take a look at a few of these. In this video, we're going to look at a few collocations with the verb do. Collocations are often used in English and should be used in your essays, but they should be used correctly. These group of words must be used together because they have their own meaning. Let's look at a few example sentences to help you know how to use these collocations. Do someone a favor. The manager asked him to do him a favor after work. To do someone a favor means to help someone with something. Asking someone for a favor is sometimes difficult to do. Do damage. To avoid doing damage to the relationship, a meeting between the two companies was held last Friday. To do damage means to cause a problem or often to break something or make it unusable. The tornado did serious damage to the town. Do harm. To do harm is similar to do damage and means to cause a problem or hurt something or someone. It was hoped that the new laws would not do any harm to the business. Smoking will do great harm to your lungs. Do the minimum. To do the minimum is to only do the least that you can do or allowed to do. The government should at least do the minimum amount of work needed for the project. He always only did the minimum amount of work that he could get away with. Do the right thing or the wrong thing. In order to do the right thing, he worked overtime to correct the problem. He wanted to avoid doing the wrong thing, so he decided to consult his manager. Do business. They were hoping to be able to do more business in the near future. To do business means to have a business relationship. The two companies have been doing business together for over a decade. Do something right or do something wrong. He didn't want to do the calculations wrong and cause a problem. He knew that he needed to do his taxes right or he could be in big trouble. Do your best. The salesman was expected to do his best to recruit new members into the program. Doing your best is a good policy to live by. All of these collocations with the word do are commonly used in English and are useful in everyday conversations as well as in your writing assignments. Try learning a few of these and use them in your own writing.